Join me as I dive into the world of trading and challenge myself to achieve the best results I can right now. Mastering trading results is the key to unlocking success in the world of finance. It's the difference between making a killing in the markets and losing your shirt. The reality is, most traders struggle to achieve consistent results, and it's not because they're not trying hard enough. It's because they're missing a crucial element in their trading strategy. When it comes to trading, the markets can be unpredictable and volatile. One day you're on top of the world and the next you're digging yourself out of a hole. Lack of consistency is one of the biggest challenges traders face. You might have a winning streak one week only to blow it all the next. It's frustrating to say the least. Many traders rely on gut feelings, emotions, and instinct to make their trades, but that's a recipe for disaster. Without a clear strategy, you're leaving your fate in the hands of Lady Luck. Another major hurdle traders face is information overload. With the internet at our fingertips, we have access to a vast amount of information, but that doesn't necessarily mean we know what to do with it. News, analysis, and expert opinions can be overwhelming, making it difficult to separate the signal from the noise. This can lead to analysis paralysis, where you're too afraid to make a trade because you're worried about making the wrong move. Furthermore, the markets are constantly changing, and what worked yesterday might not work today. This means traders need to be adaptable and willing to evolve their strategies to stay ahead of the curve. The problem is, many traders are stuck in their ways and refuse to adjust their approach even when it's clear it's not working. This can lead to a pattern of self-sabotage, where you're holding on to a strategy that's no longer serving you. So, how do you overcome these challenges and start achieving the results you deserve? The answer lies in developing effective trading strategies and techniques that can help you navigate the markets with confidence. One of the most powerful strategies I've found is to focus on high probability trades. By identifying key patterns and trends, you can increase your chances of success and reduce your risk exposure. Another technique is to use risk management strategies, such as stop losses and position sizing, to limit your downside and maximize your upside. We've also found that having a robust trading plan in place is essential for achieving consistency. This means having clear rules and guidelines for every trade, from entry to exit. It's not about being emotional or impulsive, it's about being calculated and deliberate. By following a proven plan, you can eliminate impulsive decisions and stay focused on your goals. One of the most significant breakthroughs I've had in my trading career was when I started using a combination of technical and fundamental analysis. By looking at both the charts and the underlying factors driving the markets, I was able to gain a more comprehensive understanding of what was happening and make more informed trades. It was a game changer for me, and it can be for you too. I remember a trade I made last year that still gives me goosebumps. I had been analyzing the charts for weeks, waiting for the perfect setup. When it finally happened, I pulled the trigger and made a killing. It was one of those trades that just felt right, and it ended up being a huge winner. Moments like those are what make all the hard work and dedication worth it. In conclusion, mastering trading results is within your reach. It takes discipline, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. By focusing on high probability trades, using risk management strategies, and developing a robust trading plan, you can start achieving the results you deserve. So, what's been your biggest challenge in trading? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more advanced trading strategies and techniques in my next video.